Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time seeing my content, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button while you're here. So just to catch you guys up to speed of what's happening in this video, in the previous video I uploaded, I showed you guys my trailer bogie cracked while I was on a load up in New Jersey. So for the time being, I used my chain and binder to secure it until I was able to get it to a shop to get it repaired. So the first shop I reached out to in New Jersey, they were just a little too pricey. He quoted me about $2,000 to get it repaired. So I reached out to a welder in Connecticut who worked on my truck in the past. I sent him a video and he gave me a quote of just $400. However, he was busy, so I had to sit around in New Jersey for a few more days. So I brought the trailer to him, and at the end of the repair job, he only charged me $350. I still paid him $400. So guys, just sit back and enjoy the repair video. So in case you guys are wondering, no, I'm not on the side of the road somewhere. This is actually my good friend Damien's truck yard right here. You guys saw Damien in the video I did a few weeks ago when I was up in Pennsylvania. Damien's got the 389 Peterbilt with the stainless steel. I believe the trailer is right here. Yeah, stainless steel trailer is right there. So you guys saw the video I did with Damien a while back. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Trick about this now. Roll across this. Yeah. Weakness. Roll across this. Weakness. Weakness. Don't roll as well. No. Next side. Same thing. Yeah. Guys, so there it is, man. My misery is over. So basically, he welded it and then reinforced it with a 90-degree bracket right here. It's probably more reinforced than it was initially with this bracket right here.
I remember about it. So, 2 o'clock late already. Want to know? Yeah. Well done. Yeah man, little more. What time you left tomorrow?
Tonight I deliver Massachusetts.
Go back done after?
A week.
Me call you on my left brunch.
Yes, sir. And this is how I know I'm officially back up in Connecticut, man. Got the fried chicken, the oxtail gravy, cabbage on the side, rice and peas. Yeah, man, a little cuzzo came through and I dropped off some food, so appreciate it. Much needed. I'm out of food, man. My truck is empty. I ain't got nothing to eat. Yeah, guys, I'm starving, man. One thing I miss about Connecticut, man, you know, I can't find this food down south. I think Connecticut probably has the best Jamaican food overall in America. Better than New York, better than Florida. The food in the South, man, Jamaican food in the South is trash, man. I bought some food in Charlotte when I first moved there, and I tossed it out. I never ate it. It's just straight up trash. I still haven't found a good Jamaican restaurant in the South. The best I found probably was Golden Crust in Atlanta. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's decent. Yeah, man, my little cousin, man, he's like the brother I wish I had growing up. You know, I'm the youngest out of all my siblings, and I always wish I had a little brother. And he moved from Jamaica back in, I want to say 2016, 2017, somewhere around there. 2016, so it's been about 8 years. I think he was about 19 when he moved here, and he was actually living in the Bronx with my aunt at the time, which is his grandmother. Rest in peace to my aunt. And he just came and visit one weekend, and he just never went back home. You know, I just took him under my wings, guided him, made sure he stayed on the right path. Now he's doing good for himself now, man. So, you know, when you come here at that age, you know, there's a lot of things you could get into as a 19-year-old. You know, and I was very stern on him. You know, I took him under my wings like my little brother. You know, he's my little cousin, man, but, you know, to me, he's like a little brother. And I'm proud of him now. You know, he's doing his thing. So whenever I come to Connecticut and I need anything, I just call him. He'll come meet me. Food, whatever it is. You know, if I need something for my truck, you know, like parts or whatever, I just call him, I order it, he'll go pick it up, he'll bring it to me. So yeah, we have a good relationship, man. I know he look up to me more like a big brother also. You know, I know he don't see me as a cousin. You know, actually when he introduced me to people, he always say that's my big brother. But yeah, man, that's my little cousin Sean, man. I love that dude, man.